red dinosaurs.
Who were the other ones?
They're Jets and Redskins.
Which one's the Redskins? Is
they're-
the bear the Redskins?
No,
Is Spider-Man the Redskins?
no.
So who's playing the Redskins?
The Cowboys.
Who?
They said the Cowboys.
Oh yeah, I like that. So, and that's the Redskins. So who's gonna win?
The Cowboys.
All right. Did the Cowboys win yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, they won. They won. It was a good game, huh?
The Redskins won and the Cowboys won.
Oh, so they both won?
Yeah.
You know, that would make your Uncle Mike and Auntie Krista very happy.
Why?
Because the Redskins lost yesterday and they cried a lot.
Why?
Because they like the Redskins. Who do we like?
Cowboys and the Patriots.
That's right. Good job.
And we like the good guys.
Yeah.
We don't like the bad guys.
No, who's the bad guys?
The Jets.
Yeah, who else is the bad guys?
The Patriots.
Ooh.
Hey now.
I'm the Patriots.
How about the Redskins? Are they the
Yeah.
bad guys?
Yeah.
Okay.